Unbelievable sight.
I made it.
They came in.
I have a small bladder.
Blood out. Got shovels for you guys. Here's the camp mom. The troop mom. Go away. Oh! We're here for you.
She ain't thankful. Everyone go home.
I know.
What the hell? Hurts.
Sorry.
It's Family Beach Day. Oh, one child here and one child there. What's the grill master doing?
Just waiting for this
Has it been cooking for like 15 minutes now, Alan? What's happening?
I know what to do.
What's going on there?
I know what to do.
I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I think it's family vlogs, by the way. I made it.
Yeah! Didn't you make Grandma's vlog? You must have, I just haven't put it together yet. Hey, Kiki, you want to spam a sous vide? You didn't see that? What the heck? That's all that's left? How many did you make? I didn't put that many. Oh, you suck. Welcome to the family vlog. Look at you and your Tinkerbell. Aren't you so cute? You're so cute. Alan fucked up, and now the guinea pigs are
I didn't
eating.
fuck up at all. What are you talking about?
They're cooked, but they're not
I'm
cooked.
running things.
There's condiments in the red section somewhere. Or you can eat it dry, whatever you want to do.
I haven't made an appearance in the vlog yet.
No one wants you to.
Stop, you ugly.
It's me. Oh, it's me.
Eileen?
I look like you.
We're not like cool. We're not like cool. We're not that cool.
This is what happens when I start playing music that they know.
Someone record the shit. Yeah.
I am.
I'm watching 5 Daniels.
Bro, when they pulled up in front of the house, they were just in the car doing this before they came in.
What is that? I don't know. But let's go.
Daniel 1, Daniel 2.
Jay, what's... This dog just came to hang out with us.
He's so sad.
Cynthia's trying to be friends with him.
It's a twist dog.
Dog whisperer.
Hey, if it bites you, I got it.
Is it really? I've never known one of these.
Hey, there's a ball over there. Throw it.
No.
It's going. Oh! Hey,
D-Lo.
Daniel, move. I don't want to see your butt. I want to see the dog.
Yeah, you do.
You know, you're my most watched YouTube video.
If you want more.
Oh, bye, doggy.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
That's
Okay.
it. That's basically it.
Woo!
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
What happened to yours?
Yeah.
That does not look cooked.
Not yet.
Oh, it's bad.
Give me like 5 minutes. It's okay, you're fine.
Hey! I can open your eyes, take you under my wonder. Sideways and under.
Thank you, Alessandra.
The magic of the right, a whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Every moment. I love this. Keep it going. Keep it going. He's a ladder.
You said it too early.
Oh my God! She hit that. Nice.
Can you remix into Hakuna Matata?
I'm proud of you.
We're all proud of you, Alexis.
That is not Hakuna Matata.
What are you singing right now?
She's trying to sing the Circle of Life.
That's definitely not that song.
Is that what that is? I don't know.
That's like something else.
Really knows.
For sure.
She's trying.
Alexis, sip it up.
Yeah, you're drinking bubbles. It's good.
That's gross.
Uh,
Good. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. You got it. That's pretty good.
She's trying not to laugh.
See?
Where?
Where?
Yeah, buddy! Drink it!
Alright, hey, pop it. Pop it.
I'm sorry!
Come here.
She got ice! She got ice! Just pee!
You have to. I have a small bladder.
Oh, you better go pee.
It doesn't matter.
It
Please, it doesn't matter. Again, I'm gonna take. You better live up to your last name.
Ooh!
This whole time.
No, take a knee.
Take a knee.
Proposal stands. Proposal stands.
You can do left one or your right one. Hey! You know, down this shit.
All the way.
All the way up. All the way up.
Follow. In pursuit. Right there. Come on, Jack. Yeah, there you go. Don't stop.
Look at her face.
Higher.
That was pissy face.
If you don't beat me, you're gonna
No.
You got finished that one.
There, she's done. She's done.
There you
Woo!
go.
Happy birthday. Go pee. Doing too much. Alexis, let's go.
It looks like you have a penis.
First to go. Bye.
Bye, Emmett.
Bye, Emmett. Give me a hug. Thanks for sharing your football. Say bye to everybody. Emmett's leaving.
Bye.
Kiki and Eva are leaving you. Hug. Oh, is she gonna dance? She's doing things. It's happening. Your ass is hella sandy. Her shirt is tucked in too. Hello. These are my friends. Hi, friend. That's my cousin, Christine. Dang, she's hella cute. Party foul!
Accuracy.
Look at that.
You should be an
Look
extreme.
at that.
Coming for you. Get that.
I can't get that. I can't turn my hand that fast.
You didn't get that.
He called me lame and then he threw a frisbee at me.
Is that a good hot dog?
Are you?
What you doing?
She's, you know, deep throating.
What the fuck are you doing?
There you go.
Ew.
Go to Tom's back. Come on.
Don't do that.
Come on.
Fuck you up. Say it one more time.
Do it.
Stop.
Do it. He's scared. He's scared.
You said deep? make it at least like. Put it in your back. Aww. He didn't fall.
He didn't fall.
You want to put your feet in the fire.
I want her to put her feet in the fire.
That's crazy.
I have something to say, you guys.
You're hella close. Look how close your feet is to the fire right now. Chill. Like,
How does she know that you love her?
How do you show her you love her?
How does she know that you really, really, truly love me?
bring it in. Bring your chairs inside the fire.
Okay, everyone, gather around the fire and sing the campfire. Start there.
We're going.
What? Alright, fine. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Stay. Goddamn.
What are you talking about? We're doing icebreakers. We're bonding. We're doing icebreakers right now. We've got a bonfire. We don't know if it's legal or not, but we're doing it. It's happening. Fuck, what's that on my
Christy,
Hi, for what?
for today.
I love you. Mwah. Happy birthday. Look at them two fatties over there. They've been doing nothing but eating. So you know my feet actually look like this? Wow. The birthday girl's leaving early. Goodbye, I love you. We'll think of you in spirit. Don't do anything God wouldn't want you to. Or me. Yep. Or you. Don't fucking lie, Justin.
I'm not lying.
He's ASB president.
I'm ASB president. Why would I?
ASB presidents lie.
ASB president.
ASB president. ASB treasurer over there is a liar. Justin, ASB treasurer over there is a liar. Justin, they're all liars. What we learned today?
What we learned.
We learned.
What we learned.
What we learned?
Judging cup.
You have to do it.
Oh.
Look at how angelic you look.
Try spoken.
Hallelujah. All right, how does everyone feel today?
Nice, nice. That's
Alan.
Alan. Alan.
She fucked.
You guys are no fun.
Yeah, I'm late.
There's a dolphin. I saw it. It's there. Dolphin's free there.
Sharknado.
Yeah, stupid. There it is.
Shark. That's a shark for sure.
You're about to fall in the spider pit.
You know there's hollow wood right here by Julius.
Himawama, himiniwa. Where are you still wearing sunglasses? No.
Dude, that's my marshmallow. Drone, stop.
Give me
Stop.
my. It's fucking lit.
Sing it.
Simawama, himiniwa. Oh, shit.
Smoke. Get her own damn grill. Look at that. She can put her kebab on there.
Barbecue.
Put your kebab on there.
Tell us some more.
She's gonna. It's so fucking hot. It's fucking hot, bro.
I don't care.
It's so fucking hot.
No.
Gotta hold her back.